Привет! Как дела? Today, let's talk about the most favorite holiday in Russia, namely the New Year. Новый год. In many ways, Russian New Year's customs are similar to European and American. We also have a Christmas tree, decorate our houses, and give each other presents. But there are some beliefs that make the New Year such a special holiday. Новый год – семейный праздник. The New Year is a family holiday. About 80% of Russians celebrate the New Year with their families at home or with very close people. Как встретишь Новый год, так его и проведешь. The literal translation is, as you celebrate the New Year, so you will live it. This is a very widespread belief. That's why Russians set a large, rich New Year's table. We will shoot a separate video about New Year's feasts and dishes. Because there are so many nice dishes and it's really hard to tell about them in one video here. The third belief: телевизор – главное украшение стола. TV is a main decoration of the table. This tradition came to us from the Soviet Union. Since then, concerts and songs of the Russian singers have been broadcasted on television. Such concerts are called голубые огоньки. And the most important tradition, новогоднее обращение президента. President's New Year address to citizens. A few minutes before the start of the new year, he sums up the results of the outgoing year and wishes all the best for the coming year.
С праздником! С Новым годом!
After that, the Kremlin chimes beat off 12 strikes and Russia enters the new year. And the next tradition is connected to the chime clock on the Spasskaya Tower. Время загадывать желания. Time to make wishes. People believe that the most cherished wishes will definitely come true if they are made on New Year's celebration. Especially if you manage to make a wish while the chimes are chiming. And since the territory of Russia is divided to several time zones, the New Year is celebrated for 11 times in Russia. So you have an opportunity to make 11 different wishes for the New Year, and your wishes will certainly come true. Главный волшебник Дед Мороз. Main wizard is Father Frost. He is very significant and important character, and we will shoot a separate video about him. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope this video helped you to find out something new about Russian traditions and Russian New Year celebration. Tell me please, which tradition do you like the most, and which traditions do you have in your country? I hope you liked this video. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to like it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow our page on Instagram. So, goodbye. Bye.